What up, y'all? So it's day 2. Yesterday it was like 60 something degrees. Today it's like 50 something, cloudy, and it's sprinkling. So depending on whether these sprinkles turn into rain, might not be doing anything today. But about to at least go to the store and get this puller and everything. I need a puller, I need a crow's foot wrench, and yeah, so hopefully this rain kind of slows down for a minute when I get back so I can get the starter off so I can put the flywheel lock in, and then yeah, we can get these lines off, the power steering lines, and pull this rack out this way. So hopefully I can get all of that done. So fast forward like an hour or two. I got these crowfoot wrenches or whatever. I had one ordered, but it's taking too long to get here, and I'm trying to get this done before the rain comes down. So I just went ahead and bought these. Nobody had the puller that you can just rent and get your money back or whatever, so I ended up buying one. So you know, whatever. But yeah, so heading back to the crib, and we're gonna try to get this stuff going. All right, so boom, we back. This is what I got. This is what was in it. We need an 18 millimeter. Got an extension and a ratchet somewhere. Boom, there. So it's behind there. But about to go ahead and get this get these lines off. Oh, progress is not being made. It's kind of hard to see. Phone kind of low, so no flash. But the bolts are right here. So this is one line, this is the other. One of these is already kind of rounded a little bit, so not a lot, but enough to where this crow's foot, where am I at? This crow's foot wrench thing is not staying that good, and I think I need a socket that's actually got all of the angles on it, you know, other than the opening to get around that line. But this little rectangle shape opening is not gripping good enough, so I might have to go get like a line wrench or something, an 18 millimeter line wrench that's got, you know, at least five angle sides on it, like real deal angles that'll actually fit around the bolt. Because what's happening is, just as an example right here, yeah, so it's on the bolt, but it's like it's got a little bit of wiggle room. Again, this is an example, but it's got a little bit of wiggle room. It's not fitting exactly tight. So when I turn it, instead of trying to twist the whole bolt, it'll twist and kind of get locked a little crooked like that, you know, and then I'm stuck with either, you know, bang it off or keep twisting and end up stripping the bolt more. So been kind of on and off sprinkling today, so that's slowing me down, but I'm gonna figure it out.